Oh, naive little me, asking what things you have seen, and you're vulnerable in your head, and you'll scream and you'll wail till you're dead. Creatures veiled by night, following things that aren't right, and they're tired and they need to be led, and they'll scream and they wail till they're dead. But give me to a rambling man, let it always be known that I was who I am. We're beaten and battered and cold. My children will live just to grow old. But if I sit here and weep, I'd be blown over by the slightest of breeze. And the weak, they need to be led, and the tender I'll carry to their bed. And it's a pale and cold affair, and I'd be damned if I'd be found there. So give me to a rambling man, let it always be known that I was who I am. Oh, give me to a rambling man, let it always be known that I was who I am. Funny how the first chords that you come to are the minor notes that come to serenade you. And it's hard to accept yourself as someone you don't desire, as someone you don't want to be. So give me to a rambling man, let it always be known that I was who I am. Oh, give me to a rambling man, let it always be known that I was who I am. Lepo pozdravljeni na našem mini koncertu. Z vami bova kantavtorski duo Irma. Začeli sva za skladbo Laura Marling, Rambling Man. Nadaljujeva pa s še 4 najinimi, in sicer naslednja se glasi Running in Blue. Sorry, mother, I must go away. What I run from, I simply cannot say. And sorry, father, for staying oh so cold. I only try to do what I've been told. But now it's too late, I guess. I guess I made a mess. And sorry, brother, for never standing by. If you would know what I know, you would try. But now it's too late, I guess. I guess I made a mess. And sorry lover, promise I'll be gone. In all those years still haven't learned to run. When it was too late and dead, when a song was all we had. Sorry, mother, I must go away. Sledi čisto prva skladba, ki so jo kadarkoli posneli kot duo Irma, in sicer Country Club at 5. Na to pa bomo zaigrali še eno pred kratkim izdano Practical Man. I shot my new baby with a baby blue gun. And if they ask why I did it, say I did it for fun. Don't wait for me, madam, I'll be gone for a while. And if they ask how I've done it, tell them I did it in style. It's awfully confusing just what makes you a wife. If I should own an apron, why can't I hold a knife? Don't laugh at me, madam, you don't get it quite yet. But I swear once you do, you get the same one I had. Well, ma'am, I can't just sit and wait for God to come and set him straight. It's been so long since I felt alive. I didn't mean to seal his fate, but God would not cooperate, and I made dinner plans at a country club at 5. I went to the courthouse as any good housewife would. Though I could not stay, I really do wish I could. Please say to the jury that I'm late for my flight, and if they wanna come with, tell them I'm buying tonight. Well, ma'am, I can't just sit and wait for God to come and set him straight. It's been so long since I felt alive. I didn't mean to seal his fate, but God would not cooperate, and I made dinner plans at a country club at 5. Ma'am, it's rude to stop and stare. You don't know, 'cause you weren't there, and truth be told, I'm feeling quite alive. I'm telling you, don't count on God. He'd help, but he'd rather not, 'cause he made dinner plans at a country club at 5. Yes, he made dinner plans at a country club at 5. We made dinner plans at a country club at 5. I got you, the toughest man of all. Yeah, I so weak, my way so small. and I got you, the wisest of them all. Yeah, who only ever learned to fall. So what was it then, what you wanted me for? You said, oh, you silly little girl. I told you the other night when I wept and you slept so tight. So you already know you're a practical man with practical needs, and I'm practically yours. I'm practically yours. Navy skies, the only gold I knew, and I have watched them turning blue. Yes, I sat still like all good women do, and prayed I'll find my worth in you. But you had to say you never loved me. Well, how can you love something you can't see at all? And you told me you rose above me when I showed you that something I can't be at all. So what was it then, what you wanted me for? I asked, but I already knew. You told me the other night when I wept and you slept so tight, please say no more. I can't hear no more. You're a practical man with practical needs, and I'm practically yours. I'm practically yours.
Hvala vsem, ki ste nama prisluhnili. Hvala Knjižnici Šmarje. Hvala za čudovit ambient in zvok. Zaključili bova pa s skladbo Tommy Boy.
They said we stood out from the ones they were breeding. They said we should hide like a woman who's bleeding. But Tommy, if I am to hide, I'd rather forgo. And Tommy, though I might be grieving, it might never show. They said we stood out from the ones they were keeping. They said we should smile like a woman who's weeping. But Tommy, if I am to smile, I'd rather you know. And Tommy, though I might be leaving, I might never go. Oh, Tommy boy, does it matter who runs? Well, I can't sit still and be quiet at once. Oh, Tommy boy, have I led you astray? Well, I can't be living this way. They said we stood out from the ones that have reasoned. They said we should run like a woman imprisoned. But Tommy, if I am to run, we'd rather be strange. And Tommy, I might be another, I might never change. Oh, Tommy boy, if we're one and the same, why wouldn't I dare to hold on to my name? Oh, Tommy boy, have I led you astray? Well, I can't be living this way. Oh, Tommy boy, have I thought you had known?